Kethevane, this is an extraordinary development given that police officers in the US rarely face criminal charges for using deadly force. What more can you tell us?
Yeah, it is very important because this time after that state criminal conviction for Derek Chauvin, this time it is a federal grand jury. So these charges were brought by the Department of Justice itself. And there are 3 counts that really target all 4 of these police officers that were involved in the killing of George Floyd. The first one is very specific to Derek Chauvin for violating George Floyd's right to be free from unreasonable seizure, which includes the right to be free from the use of unreasonable force by a police officer. The second count is one that is directed at 2 of the other officers, Officer Tao and Officer Quang, the 2 officers who helped Derek Chauvin hold down George Floyd, this time for failing to intervene, basically for failing to stop Derek Chauvin from holding his knee on George Floyd's neck. And finally, the third count really targets all 4 of these police officers, including the one who didn't specifically hold down George Floyd, but was standing guard next to his fellow officers. All 4 of them charged for failing to give George Floyd the medical assistance that he needed. And this these federal charges are coming just a couple of weeks after the Attorney General, Merrick Garland, announced just last month that the Department of Justice was also opening this pattern or practice investigation into the Minneapolis Police Department to determine whether there is a systematic abuse going on in that Minneapolis Police Department. So 2 different things, a federal indictment and that investigation into the Minneapolis Police Department. But combined, it shows that the Biden administration is trying to show Americans that it is taking the issue of police abuse very seriously, that they're trying to do what they can at the federal level to deal with the issue. This as the George Floyd Policing Act, which is trying to be passed by Congress, is currently stuck between the House, where it passed a couple of months ago, and the Senate, where the Democrats have a very slim majority and have so far not found any support among Republicans to pass that Policing Act.
Kethevane Gorjestani reporting there from Washington. Thank you.